What's up, Breelyyy gang? Back with another video. And today, I'm about to be putting this wig on my head. I know it looks a mess, but just trust the process. Trust the process. So yeah, I tried bleaching it myself, and it was black. I was gonna dye it orange, but don't look like I need to do that now. It's already orange. The last time I did a wig install, it was on my forehead, so let's see what it's giving now. And that was like 6 months ago. So let's see.
Flashback.
Okay, y'all, got my water right here. And I'm about to put my bleach in here. Yeah. Look at my shirt. Straight dirty. Look at my face. Straight dirty. Look at my feet. Like, everything I do, I just gotta get dirty. Like, I'm a little kid. My wig is right here. Cooking. This is how the wig looks. Very much orange, but it's like I don't really care because I got orange dye and I could have just did this. Like, I was trying to go for a more orange look. So let's see. I'm gonna wash it out and blow dry it, and yeah, we can see what it gives, y'all. Just the wig though. I see my little snacks over here. Anyway, still the same process. I'm about to slick my hair back because I still can't braid. Nope, I can't. No, I can't. Where's my wig back? Oh, y'all are on it. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this new product to put my wig down. I'm gonna use this to set my edges back, to put the cap on. So yeah, let's get started. Wig install, stoner edition. Do y'all like the new Proud Family? Let me know what y'all think about the new Proud Family. I like all of the episodes. They just showcasing new things.
Day 6, listen up.
We got everybody in here. I think that's cool as fuck. Like, it's not like boring. Like, it's actually updated and not like a waste of time. Like, just like Bel-Air to Will Smith, like, it's actually updated. Like, I like, you know, like, I don't think it's made for like little toddlers, but like teens, pre-teens, all that good stuff. You know what I'm thinking I should do now? Give myself braids. Yeah, these are so good. Salami and crackers. Fire. I look high now, but yeah, this is what's going on, y'all. I don't know. Don't even. We gonna fast forward this part, but yeah. I look a mess. But yeah, this is the progress so far. I tried. I'm so lazy, y'all. I got slick back in the front and braids in the back. How ghetto. I cannot breathe. So for this install, I'm using the Eben New York Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. And this spray is literally the best if you do not want to use glue. Literally the best, beginner friendly, cheap. It's like literally better than got to be. Like, I don't care what anyone says. It's way better than got to be. And I'm going to blow dry it on hot heat once again. I do this about 2 or 3 times just to make sure it's really secure. Nothing is slipping. Almost missed. Okay, so I don't know if y'all ever heard of this trick, but usually people do it with the rat tail comb, but I'm just using this end of my brush, and literally you see how the glue is like moving up a bit and then the cap is like loosening up. So this pretty much helps you line up where the glue is so you don't have to, peel and cut that extraness off. It'll just, I don't know. It's weird to explain, but you just see how it's like lining up against my hairline and not all like glue all the way down on my forehead. That's what I mean. So when you cut it, it'll be Gucci. Just wait and watch. So this is another little tip I learned. So listen, watch, and hear closely, okay? Because things are moving fast. Basically, you see how close I am to my edges with these scissors? Yes, because you want to get as close as possible when you're cutting so you don't have as many flyaways. So it's just straight flat. You see how it's like pretty much flat, ain't a lot really sticking out, right? Right. So you want to cut as close to your edges as possible. You see how that's cut right there? No. Get closer. Get closer. See? You got to get closer. Yes. Pay attention. But this step is very crucial. Make sure you are, you know, being very careful, being very sturdy. Once you start seeing here, stop cutting. Now, right here is where you lay the extras down. Usually, I do not do this step because to me, it looks pretty much slayed. But I just wanted to try it just to see like what it would do and to show you guys what you can do if it's not, flat. Okay? Okay, I bitch is hype now. You see? Yeah, you see me going in. Yeah, what about it? Now, I ain't gonna lie, that last step I just did, make sure y'all include that because it is well needed. Look how, yeah, y'all see, look how freaking flat, I was gonna say freaking, then I said freaking flat that is, y'all. Like, yeah, yeah. So I actually got this foundation off of TikTok, I believe. I've heard it was the best foundation to use for your cap. So we about to see. Once you got everything matching, you want to remove the excess makeup, glue, all of that extra stuff. You want it off there before you actually apply your lace. Yeah, remember I told you I was gonna try this glue? Yeah, I tried it and I did not like it. Sorry. Okay, now let's get into why I don't like this glue. Because here I am trying to lay my lace down and it's not even sticking. I hate when this happens, bruh. I gotta use this freaking spray right here. That didn't even help me out. Yeah, it was a lot going on this night. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was just like, I was fried, obviously. And it just turned out freaking bad. So me being, a Sagittarius, optimist, all of that good stuff, I continue. I continue to go through with this. Like I'm just like, whatever. And then bitch, what the fuck? What the hell? What the hell? I should have just knew right there. Like just stop. Just please stop. Look at me. Look at me. I just knew. I just knew. Yeah. I know it's supposed to be a hair vlog, and it is a hair vlog, but it's definitely the next day. And it was like 3 o'clock yesterday. I was trying to do my hair, and I was so tired. I had to go to sleep. I took the wig off. Like, I was just over it. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the wig is trash, so that's why it looks how it looks. And then the color is kind of making it, you know? Like, even when it was black, though, I didn't like it. So, like, I just feel like the wig is just trash at this point. But I'm gonna try it one more time today and I'm gonna see. If not, I'm putting my other wig on and we're just gonna leave it at that because honestly, from what I know, thick laces and knots or all that whatever it is affects how your install is gonna look and everything else. So when I put it on, I seen how it looked. I'm like, okay, maybe it's. At first, I thought it was me, but honestly, I think it's just because the wig is just bad. So we gonna see, and I'm gonna yeah, all that good stuff. Let me know. Sorry, I'm tired, y'all. Let me know in the comments anything like else about wigs, like how you can tell if it's better or not. Cause honestly, I think this wig is bad. It has this the lace. Even when my hairstylist did my hair, the last time he told me, he's like, this lace is so thick, like, and he was like really working hard. So either I'm gonna have to work hard to get it to look good, or I'm gonna have to throw it out and be done with it because I don't play with nobody wigs. Okay, so if trash is trash. Yeah, basically I'm just trying to put all the hair back and then I'm gonna yeah, see, so like this side is all messy, this side I'm putting all the hair back and then I'm gonna like lay it again. Yeah, see what it gives because I don't know if y'all could tell from like the video, like just I don't know. Give me some tips or something, but yeah, I'm just pushing the hair back. Honestly, I think I would just need to do like plucking maybe or something. I don't know. We about to figure it out. I'm about to get into it. We gonna see. Y'all gonna see. The mirror's right here, so I'm gonna just be over here, like go like that, and then yeah. So yeah, this is crazy. 6 months later, here I am. Like, this is not an easy task at all. Wigs are not easy. Like, I don't care if I get nice. I'm gonna be like shitting like who can't do what. Nah, but honestly, I just feel like it depends on the wig because some wigs are easier than others. Like other wigs I put on, it was real simple. This like it needs some attention. I think that's just what it is. It just needs a lot of attention and plucking and detailing. And yeah. Making it. See, like when my niggas dream chasing it. Niggas ain't wanna give me a chance. I had to take this. But when it comes to you, I think I lie for you. Okay, y'all. I'm so sorry. I forgot to show y'all me putting the glue on, y'all. I'm smacked. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely naming this video Stoner Edition because your girl is freaking fried. So yeah, I forgot to show y'all the whole glue process. But honestly, I'm not an expert at that. But I wish I would have showed y'all because it was bomb. Is like I don't really use glue because I don't know how to like mess with it. You know, you gotta like the way I just did it, chef kiss, y'all. You would just really have to use like a thin little dots and just swipe it like thin, like swipe it thin. Don't let it like build up. Let it dry. It's gonna get like real clear, no white nothing. It's gonna get real clear. Then you do it again. Y'all, I wish I would have seen. And then I put my lace on it. It went right on there. Like, I don't know if this happened to y'all, but every time I would use the glue, even yesterday, I'll use the glue. I'll do the whole like, okay, let me start. Okay, so usually what I would do, I think in the last video y'all see me like do it piece by piece, I believe. I don't remember, but usually I would do piece by piece. Like I'll do the front, then I'll lay the sides, all of that. But I see hairstylists, they put the glue all around and just boop. So that's what I tried. But usually when I do that, the glue be dry and my wig don't be staying on there. It doesn't, the wig doesn't stay when I do that. But this time, baby, just no. This time I use Ghost Bond. I had this Ghost Bond. This is my first glue I ever bought, and I still have it. So yeah, does the glue expire? Should I still be using this? Please let me know. I got this glue like 6 months ago, and I still have it. But please let me know if I should not be using it still. It doesn't have an expiration date on it. Y'all, I really put that on. Like, look at it. Like, look at it. I feel like a hairstylist. You know what I be having it all. Y'all, yesterday I was feeling so undefeated. It was so trash. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It was so freaking trash, bro. That's my dog. Busting up in here. And then I put this blow dry it now. I'm blow drying it on hot. And this is a good, it's a John Frieda, London, Paris, New York. That's what it says. I don't know. My mom began all these hot tools. She don't play. But yeah, this is a good blow dry. It's definitely laid. I just gotta hit some spots, but it's on there. Got this for my edges. Cause my life's televised, and I can see all the lies. You know I used to be. Okay. It is combed out now. Gonna do? I hope so. I don't even know if I'm about to do this or not. Though. Because it ain't really giving. It's supposed to give. I'm saying it is, but it's not. If that makes sense. I really don't know how to style my hair, especially with this shit on. I cannot. It's getting too loud. Okay. Okay. Of course, this what happened. It's getting too loud. Y'all see? It's definitely giving. I don't know what this is giving, but whatever. What? Out of myself and what? Okay, so I'm about to curl the rest of this. And yeah, we're gonna be done with this. We're gonna be done with this. Cause it's been like 2 days now. I was gonna leave y'all with no ending, but I'm like, you know what? Since I'm styling it, I might as well just come back and show y'all the rest, right? Y'all like to see? Okay, now that it's looking better. I mean, it was looking fine before, but See, like just little stuff like that just irritates me. Like, I don't know how to use a damn curling iron, so just work with me and do not look at my side edges. Like, both of my side edges is just not side edging right now. So yeah, I'm about to curl my hair. Just act like I know how to use the curling iron, okay? Okay. This is how I use the curling iron. Like a fucking wand. It's giving wand. It's giving very much though. Like, come on now. Come on now. That's the worst curl you ever gonna get from me. How was y'all liking my install so far? We went through some things, but we here. We is here. 6 months ago, it was looking a little rough. I ain't the best now, but I'm doing some. This needs to like, just act like y'all don't see this, okay? Like, what? What is giving? Put you over here. What side is giving? Y'all know what side is giving. Shall we continue? Yes. I'm gonna do this other side off the camera and then I'll be back. Okay. Because people be like, let me see the background. I don't even comb it out. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just leave it like this. You feel me? I don't want to mess nothing up. So, I guess this is the end. I guess this is the end of the video. I was gonna leave y'all hanging with no ending, but no, I can't do that. So, y'all see my little ponytail back? Yeah. So yeah. It's good. It's good. Okay. If I had some makeup on right now, it would definitely be giving, but it's giving either way. It's giving either way. Say it's not. Say it's not. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Keep tuning in. Period. Let me know how I did. If it's giving. Hold up. Let me know if it's giving. Let me know. Let me know in the comments if I bodied, if I got better. What y'all think? I think I got better.